Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about a brand new video editor by Microsoft which is known as the Clipchamp video editor. You might also have heard this name by now. This editor was developed by Microsoft and it is also fully free to use, and as for the plans, you can get up to 1080p HD resolution of export footage here for free, and some free stock audio, image and video stocks. Also there are some filters and effects, but you can't get some premium features like brand kit unless you pay for 9,000 rupees per year. That is quite costly, but I think Microsoft is managing this free service just by charging more for the essentials or for everyday editors plan. That is how they are managing this service. It is actually quite smooth compared to other editors, and the system requirements are not that much high. As you can see, the video is running very nicely. There is no error here. It is actually a stock video which I had got from here. You can create some awesome footage using the options available here, such as if you want to split the video into two parts, then just click on S, then you can see that the video has been splitted into two. There are so many transitions available here, but some of them might need the premium subscription. You can also make do with the available ones. For applying the transition, just place it here on the video actually, and then the chosen effect should work. You can also change the text here by double clicking and then clicking on the text option. See, here you can type anything. You can also change the alignment. There are some fonts available here. So many are there. You can choose any of them. Also there are free filters. There is also the glitch filter, which will look a bit technical effect or something like that, you could say. And as for the graphics, you can get some basic backgrounds images such as this. As you can see, it is importing right now. It may take some time depending on your internet connection. You will also get GIF files here, and there are also stickers, which is nice. It is taking quite a while to load actually. I will fast forward the video now. Alright, it took quite a while to load actually. The video length is about very long. It is very long. So it is about 30 seconds you can take. And as for applying the video, you need to just grab on to the bar here, which will appear, and now you can see that the video is playing very smooth and fantastically. It is actually quite nice. You can also put some effects or filters here, but They are not that much useful. This effect is looking quite good. I had applied it here. One more correction. It was actually a video, not a background image. So these are all the live videos which you can put in your video timeline. All of them are about 30 seconds, I think. And as for the overlays, this is some type of differential overlay. This does not make sense why they had put it here. This is looking quite good. Pencil effect. There are also stock images available here. You can also do screen recording, I think, and make a video out of your webcam and microphone, but you need to give access to the option here. I think it actually looks very familiar to the Microsoft Edge browser, because that had also quite the same options. See, the interface was actually same. So I think that it is actually running Microsoft Edge as a backend. So see, you can see here, it is Microsoft Edge. And as for the screen recording option, you can use it only if you had given it the access to your microphone. And here is the text to speech option, which is quite nice. That other video editors which I was familiar with have this, but that does not work quite nicely. So let's see how it will work. Let's click on preview.
That have quite nice vibe.
The voice is actually sounding a bit humanly. You can also change the speed. Let's slow it down a bit, and now here.
That have quite nice vibe.
So you can see that this voice option is actually very humanly like, and you can also change the voice styles. Let's choose the unfriendly one.
That have quite nice vibe.
So it sounds very much human like. Let's click the pitch into extra high.
That have quite nice vibe.
This way you can change the voice sound. There are also so many languages available here. See, you can also choose the Hindi language.
That have quite nice vibe.
It is looking a bit okay. That is some quite nice options you have got there, Clipchamp. There are also musics available here. Oh yeah, it is sounding very good. Let's choose the Joyful Red. Nice. Let's place it on our video. I will fast forward it. The music has now loaded. The video is looking quite good. So this way you can use this very friendly and for beginners use editor. If this video was somehow helpful to you, you can subscribe to our channel. Oh, there is also a gaming outro video here. Let's try to place it. Okay, it is now importing.
A few moments later.
Alright, the video is now loaded. The templates here are very good. So many templates are available here, as you can see. So if you have a PC and are thinking about making a video, you can use this editor without any worry, and you can also put your trust in it for the nice video output. That's it for the video.